Hello from Mindpads. TOK essay. These are a few of the sample knowledge questions and excerpts of the discussion with resources. Please see the pages on the Mindpads.org website for complete discussion and links to the resources. Write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com for supporting and preparing and writing your essays and presentations. TOK essay topic number 9. Given access to the same facts, how is it possible that there can be disagreement between experts in a discipline? Develop your answer with reference to 2 areas of knowledge. KQ 5. Do disagreements always seek to disapprove and displace the prior knowledge? Very often, disagreements coexist to explain and construct concepts, theories, beliefs, or an idea. While sometimes there are serious contradictions, there are times when these disagreements overlap and are also built upon one another. For example, in psychological theories, while perspectives in the case of nurture-nature debate contradict each other, they overlap for psychoanalysis and child psychology and are built upon each other in the biological and health psychologist. However, in physics, there is inherently no difference or conflict in theoretical or experimental knowledge, although through their own perspectives, theorists value their theories for developing physics and the experimentalists think they discover or invent physics through their experiments. Experimentalists are bound to understand the theory as much as theorists are compelled to understand the experiment. Read more at mindpads.org. KQ 6. How do emotion and reason affect the disagreements between experts in a discipline? While disagreements of nature, like the proper use of statistics or about the fundamental assumptions or concepts occur, there are rational ways, by the means of arguments and evidence, to deal and reconcile with in a particular discipline. On the contrary, it is not possible to see the same things and interpret and process in multiple ways. Even a knower undergoes a change in beliefs, thoughts, existing prior knowledge, level of understanding, nature of emotion and reason. Besides the multiple perspectives, disagreements and conflicting knowledge claims are not immune from the presence of multiple biases, uncertainty, and internal infallibility. Disagreements can be resolved by producing new facts, concepts, and theories and ideas, but can never be resolved from emotionally and financially charged positions. Taking example of the climate change controversy and the associated disagreements. These are a few of the sample knowledge questions and excerpts of the discussion with resources. Please see the pages on the Mindpads.org website for complete discussion and links to the resources. Write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com for support in preparing and writing your own essays and presentations. KQ number 7. To what extent ethics or the lack of it plays a role in the disagreements between experts within a discipline? The traditional ideal of appeal to facts and the interpretations by experts is undergoing a change in public perception, and trust that experts are not infallible to the scientific methodology cannot always guarantee the expert's objectivity, and this impersonal opinion may be influenced by financial, professional, economic, political, and social considerations. Speaking from an ethical viewpoint, the neutrality and infallibility of expertise are under a scanner, especially when there are disagreements that have commercial implications. There are also efforts to suppress dissent or to safeguard your own commercial interests and reputation. The controversy about the alleged human toxicity of glyphosate and Roundup is more than a decade old. This ongoing controversy is not only has scientists arguing with other scientists, but also has scientists disputing with a very large, well-established commercial company, Monsanto, allegedly hindering the research and investigations. For the complete discussions of these TOK essay topics, do visit us at mindpads.org or write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com.